On the Miele touchtronic t8012c, what does the fault indicator container mean? Please answer ASAP before my wife melts down. Thanks, blum.
Thank you for using JustAnswer. I will be glad to assist you in your answer. Think about safety when doing repairs: electric, water, gas, etc. On your dryer there is a drawer on the top left. Pull it out and pushing slightly to the right with both hands to remove. There will be a cap on the end, flip it back and drain it completely. Flip cap back until it clicks, then reinsert back into dryer. The condensed water during the dryer operation is moved to a drain, or collects into this water container. When full, the container light will come on, telling you to drain the water container. I hope this information has assisted you. Please give me a good to great rating for doing so. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.